Hey guys, how you doing? Hope all's well. Welcome back to the channel. What we're going to do today, and I'll just go ahead and get into it, is we're going to see if we can take a pretty strong saw and make it just a little bit stronger, and I'll show you how I'm going to go about doing that. So what we have here is a Husky 55. This is a earlier model, has the 45mm top end on it. 20-inch brand new X-cut chain. I've only made a handful of cuts with it. It's not the C83, but it's still the X-cut like you would pick up at Lowe's or somewhere. But if you missed the prior videos, it's been fully ported, it's been machined, it's had a mild timing advance. Done a muffler mod. What I done was went in and opened up the internal baffle. Luckily this muffler comes apart, so it kind of makes things kind of easy to do. We went in here and opened up the existing deflector to let things breathe a little bit better. But what we're going to do today is going to take things just a step further. I'm going to add another port to the muffler. That top cover looks like it's already kind of welded, chewed up a little bit, so what we may do is just come in right here with the deflector kind of up there. I'll probably just drill it out and shoot some pop rivets in it. My welder's not really the easiest thing to access at the moment, and I'm going to pop the starter cover back off and going to give it a few more degrees of timing. I've just done a very mild, maybe 2 to 4 degrees. We're gonna bump it on up, maybe another 2 degrees. Alright guys, I saved you guys the boredom of taking the starter cover off. I had to take the bar and chain off to get the muffler cover off. We've not got that yet, but there's stock. There's what little bit I advanced it. Probably more like 2 degrees, so we're gonna file a little more away, and on this you have to file the flywheel. Okay guys, so again, right there would be stock. There's where we're at now. Not a great amount of difference. And we put in a new starter rope and got a good wind on the spring. The one that was in it kind of looked like it came in the saw like 30 years ago, or whenever the hell this thing was made. Looks pretty good to me. Uh-huh.